X-Cite NOVEM software installation and control, Windows 10. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up your X-Cite NOVEM so you can control the light source through software. To begin, connect the unit to your computer with the USB cable provided. Next, turn on the NOVEM. The drivers should automatically download if you are connected to the internet. If they don't, you can find the drivers on our website by clicking here. Click on the NOVEM page, scroll down to the Software tab. Now that your computer recognizes the NOVEM, you can control the LEDs in several ways. First, I will show you how to control the NOVEM using the NOVEM user interface from Excelitas. You will need to go to the NOVEM web page and download the X-Cite NOVEM Control Panel UI. Extract the files from the zip file and install the application. Once installed, search for the application called X-Cite NOVEM Control Panel and open the user interface. From the main screen, you will now be able to turn on and off each wavelength or combination of wavelengths using these buttons. You will also be able to adjust the intensity of each channel using the sliders, or type an intensity value in this box. Channels can be renamed by clicking and typing in this box. On the Grouping tab, you can assign LEDs into groups. This is important if you are using a software program that currently only supports the use of 6-channel X-Cite devices. In these cases, select Turbo Grouping to run the NOVEM in 6-channel mode. Once you decide which 6 LEDs you want to use, assign the numbers 1 to 6. LEDs with the value 0 will be ignored. If you want multiple LEDs to come on simultaneously, assign them to the same group. These settings will be saved when you exit the program. On the TTL Trigger tab, you can define a trigger sequence. For example, if you are only using one input cable to control multiple LEDs, you can define the trigger order here by entering numbers 1 through 9. To omit an LED from your sequence, enter 0. If you want multiple LEDs to turn on simultaneously, assign them the same number in the trigger sequence. To keep the LED drivers charged between pulses, assign a TTL timeout value in minutes. A value of 0 will keep the drivers on. These settings will be saved when you exit the program. Click on Yes and exit the application.